Manufacturers require advanced tools for planning, executing, and monitoring production processes effectively to meet changing demands. Our solutions, Industrial Edge, Opcenter X, and InsightSub provide seamless integration. Opcenter X boosts operational efficiency, while InsightSub improves performance by using data from various sources in the manufacturing facilities, with Siemens Industrial Edge playing a key role. Opcenter X is a cloud-based system that manages manufacturing operations and handles industrial Internet of Things data and shop floor activities. It connects with the shop floor for real-time monitoring, offering a complete view of operations to increase productivity and decrease downtime. By integrating scheduling, quality, and execution functions, Opcenter X leverages real-time and contextual data to deliver an actionable insights. It's a software-as-a-service application simplifying deployment for clients. This data-driven approach enhances collaboration, innovation, and speed up product development for manufacturers. By streamlining operations and decision-making, using Opcenter X can boost manufacturing productivity, product quality, time to market, and compliance. Siemens is here to support you every step on the way. Together, let's unlock full potential of your manufacturing operations.